Okay traders, this is the update for the 11th of December. We have the close of the S&P, the close of the US session, and we've ended up, the market's back at, believe it or not, 1100. So we have an entry of when we got in this long trade, which we're in at the moment, at 1091, and now our stop's up at 1097. So we're 6 points in profit, and all we're doing is trailing up with our stop. So I'll just take you through where we entered so everybody knows. Well, it's been a trade that's been going 2 days, so nothing should have changed. So we got in here at this cross here, got in long, and our stop started down here on the yellow dots. We just slowly brought the stop up the yellow dots and locking in the profit along the way in case the market was to rally up 100 points. All we're doing is locking in profit to hedge our options. So, like the whole point of this system is to hedge against your options. So we've got our call positions up there at 1190 from memory. I'll just one moment. Yeah, 1190. Let's have a look. So that's the point of the system. If this market was to rally up way past 1190 and go up to 1200, generally you're going to take a big loss on your options trade. But that means if they had a strong trend up, we're going to make profit about 90 points on the way up with our futures. So that's why it's called the Key Equity Hedge, because we're hedging our options. So we're in a long trade. We got in at 1091. Our stop's now at 1096, which it says there on the calculator. 1097 it is. So we'll just change that on the 1097. So we've locked in 6 points. And this should even out a bit of a choppy area if we get a bit of a push up, or maybe even possibly a gap up on the Monday session. So options expire on Thursday, so there's a bit of a trick to when the options expire as to how you get rid of them and make them flat. So we'll run through that towards the end of the week before we take those out. But that's the update for the 11th. We're at 1097, market's back at 1100, so email me at admin@keyequityhedge.com for more information. Cheers.